So, Danielle, today, great conference. You presented on the Advanced Space Transportation Vehicles panel and on the Future Programs Day here at Space Tech Expo. Could you tell us more about Lockheed Martin's efforts when it comes to developing those type of vehicles?
Lockheed Martin is very excited about human spaceflight exploration, particularly at the moon and then obviously going to Mars. We're currently working on Orion today, which is the next deep space exploration vehicle. Orion's capable of taking a crew of 4 out to the moon and back, safely returning them to Earth. And then using Orion, we can go out to the Deep Space Gateway, which you've heard of recently. NASA's just got an RFP coming out this hopefully month or year for the first element, which is the power and propulsion element. And then following that, we'll see the habitat come out next year, followed by several elements promised by international and commercial partners. Lockheed Martin's very excited to help bid on these proposals as well as hopefully win and build some.
Yeah, and we're talking these things, the industry developing in the coming years, but where do you expect these technological leaps to take place? When do you think it's actually going to happen?
We don't need any technological leaps to go to the moon and Mars today. We could do it with the technology we have today, which is very exciting. Now, the crew would be more comfortable if we had some technology improvements in the life support system, but you could do it today.
And in terms of the conference speech today, a great panel. What are some of the points that were raised?
The conference today was fantastic and the panel was really a blast to be on. The points that we talked about today on the panel were more related to public-private partnerships, commercialization, and then I was specifically really interested in how we're moving forward. There was a question asked about gaps, and one of the gaps that I think we need to really improve on is, reducing our risk posture a little bit to really allow those commercial, international, and then public companies to move forward.
And you had some questions from the floor. Tell us about a couple of those.
The floor was really excited about Moon Express. They were asking more clarifying questions about where they're going to land, where their money comes from, what launch vehicle they're going to be on. They had questions related to the light sail program. And then they also had questions about how Lockheed Martin is changing as a company from that cost-plus model to really be inventive and win contracts under this new commercial paradigm.
Danielle, thank you for your time.
Yeah, my pleasure. Have a wonderful day.